What better way to beat the summer heat than with a scarf? You can drape it around your neck, knot it on your bag, wear it as a top, a belt. There are countless ways to flaunt this accessories. But guess what? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can up your hairstyle game using this classic accessory. Hi guys, I'm Kavya and today I'm going to be showing you 3 super cute and very easy summer hairstyles using a scarf. If you are new to the Be Beautiful channel, then do hit the subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell icon so that you stay notified with all our latest updates. Now before I begin any hairstyle, I usually like to go ahead with a serum to tame any frizz and add this extra boost of shine and vibrancy to my hair. And my favorite serum these days is the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Hair Serum. So I'll just take a few drops and apply it evenly all over my hair. So now that we are done with prepping our hair, let's get started with the first hairstyle.
I'm starting by folding my scarf neatly to form a headband. I will now wrap it around my head neatly and secure it with a knot. Now you could leave this as is and it will look absolutely fabulous, but I'm going to go ahead and take things a little notch higher. So now I'm going to take the front section of my hair and gently begin tucking it behind the scarf like this. I will continue this until I wrap the scarf completely till the back with my hair. I'm going to repeat the exact same steps on the other side.
This hairstyle looks super romantic and is such a fun take on a half updo for summer. I absolutely love how softly it frames my face while still making a statement. Wear it with a summer dress and you are good to go.
To start this hairstyle, I'm securing my hair neatly in a side ponytail like this. I will now tie a scarf around my ponytail. I'm dividing my hair into 3 equal parts and blending in the scarf into the first and the third section. I'm continuing with the regular 3-strand braid, braiding the scarf along. Now that my braid is ready, I'm just securing it with a band. I'm going to slightly loosen a few sections to create the effect of a fuller looking braid. I'm now going to go ahead and leave loose strands around my face to complete this look.
This is such a fun take on your regular 3-strand braid. Super easy, super wearable, and you can just take a casual outfit a few notches higher instantly with this scarf trick.
I'm starting by tying a small section of hair into a ponytail at the top like this. I'm now going to go ahead and place the scarf under this ponytail. I will begin with a 3-strand braid with the first part as my hair and the other 2 parts as the scarf. Every time I cross over, I am taking a small section of hair from each side and adding it onto the braid. I'm going to continue braiding like this until I see a pattern forming with the scarf. It looks amazing, doesn't it? I'm now going to go ahead and secure the ends with a rubber band. Finally, I'm going to just tie the loose ends of the scarf to form a bow.
This hairstyle is especially perfect for summer because it keeps all your hair away from your face without opting for a super uptight updo. So I really hope you guys enjoyed these ultra stylish scarf hairstyles and will give them a try this summer. Do let me know in the comment section below which one was your personal favorite. But before you leave, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the Be Beautiful channel, and do hit the bell icon so that you are notified every single time a new video goes live. Until the next time, bye!